Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you where to check your laptop's warranty status. To find your laptop's warranty status, open the web browser, go to any search engine of your preference, then search for Lenovo warranty check, and you're gonna find the pcsupport.lenovo.com warranty lookup website. Open it, then enter your serial number, and if you don't know how to check your serial number, well, it's located on your device's back cover. So check your device's back cover. It's gotta have a label on it like this one, and here you can find the serial number of your device. So what you have to do is write the serial number down and then enter it into the serial number field without this minus sign. So just enter all the characters in the order that you see on your screen. Now let's get back to the website. Enter your serial number right here. Press enter. And you can see here you can see your warranty status. As you can see, for me, my device is out of warranty. And here is the start date of the warranty. And as you can see, the end was in June 2024. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.